Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west on Dunrobin Avenue towards Washington Boulevard, St. Andrew Parish. Turning off Dunrobin Avenue onto Lindsay Crescent. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us onto Washington Boulevard as well as to Spanish Town in St. Catherine Parish. Lindsay Crescent continues right, and we are now driving on Dukaran Avenue. On the left is Dunrobin Park Road, on the right is Dunrobin Close, and to the left is Dukaran Avenue. On the right is South Avenue. We are now driving on West Avenue. On the right is Lanier Close, and on the left is Wentworth Avenue. On the right is Morecambe Avenue, and on the left is Andrea Close. On the right is Central Avenue, which will take you to Queens High School, and to the left you can find Jamaica Theological Seminary. On the left is West Camp Close. On the left is Grove Park Avenue. West Avenue ends, and just ahead is Constant Spring Road, as well as straight ahead is the Oakland Apartments. Going right will take you to Halfway Tree, New Kingston, Crossroads, and to downtown Kingston. We have made the left onto Constant Spring Road towards Manor Park, Stony Hill, as well as towards St. Mary Parish. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.